Crook Ramsey.
Say hey. Say hello.
Hello. He like you on the phone.
All right, so you guys, we're about to get ready to put our marshmallows in the campfire.
Campfire.
So we'll see how this goes.
Let's see. We got our s'mores ready for the fire. Hot fire. More sticks for the fire. Jello.
G-Lo.
G-Lo. She said G-Lo. I say Jello, y'all.
He's ready. He's got his camp gear on.
It's kind of hot now.
Right, we're close to the fire. All right.
Man, y'all ready?
Ready. Get the other graham crackers. Mmm.
Mmm. Like some hot chocolate.
Right, hot chocolate on a graham.
Mmm.
Give you this one.
And I can actually do this. S'mores is good. Pretty good. Taste the chocolate in the middle. Yes. That thing melting. Y'all, this thing's straight off the fire. This is what you call a real dessert. Hot and ready.
Fresh homemade s'mores. Let me see, G. Is it good?
Just in time for the holidays.
Crook Ramsey.